Gucci na almost parehas sila. Pero nabili ko na to bago ko nabili si Louis Vuitton. Kaya nakadalawa ko, guys. Whew! So anyway, sabi ko nga, i-unboxing natin to bago ko buksan tong isang Louis Vuitton. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako, guys. Excited ako, guys, kasi I don't know, sobrang love ko talaga itong mga bags na to. Kasi may kakaiba sila, pwede mo silang i-convert into something. Kaya gusto ko sila, guys. So, ang unboxing natin, guys, is this. I have this as my, what do you call this? A Gucci. You see? There we go. And look at the backs, guys. I have this letter. It's because malapit na mag-birthday, guys. Look, happy birthday to me. Niregaluhan ko yung sarili ko, guys. Ayan, niregaluhan ko yung sarili ko. Yan. There we go, guys. And then I have a simple letter here, which is, it's just like a thank you note. Thank you for shopping with us at Gucci.com. Each item has been skillfully designed and made using the highest quality materials by Italian artisan. Please contact us if you have any question by phone at blah blah blah. There you go. Okay. And look at this envelope. It's so nice. Okay. And then actually, so I bought it for myself, and this is actually the bag. And this is the bag. And okay, I think that's it. So guys, this is the actual bag. I mean the actual box. So I'm just gonna open this, guys. Wow, look at this packaging, guys. It's so pretty. With a Gucci print, guys. I love the packaging, guys. So, this is the cloth bag. The dust bag, I mean. And this is actually a toiletry from Gucci, guys. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Okay. And syempre, kasama yung tag niya, guys. Please do not remove. This tag must remain attached for exchange and returns. Ayan, guys. And you will see it's a light gold with a zipper. And with the cherry line all over here. with the gold GG, what do you call this, design. So we're just gonna open the bag. So there is a care card as well, into different languages, and there is a compartment here, and there is what do you call this, the code. Usually the Gucci and Louis Vuitton have their codes. Insert from Samoga. I bought it online. I think this is $38 plus the chain. So this one, exactly the size or a little bit para magkasya po. So guys, this time naman dito tayo sa Gucci pouch. Actually guys, this is a unisex. Pwede siya sa men and pwede siya sa women. Actually, under siya ng men's pouch. Hindi mo siya makikita guys. And pinasok, I put the insert as well. Same size, so pwede sila magpalitan guys. So this one as your crossbody bag guys, pwede rin yung gawin. So ipasok lang sa D-ring yung extra chain nyo guys. There we go. So guys, inside of this toiletry there is one pocket there, okay, and the fabric inside, it's like a gamusa. So that's how it looks like. It's very spacious actually. That is how it looks like. Later guys, I will show you how you can use this bag in many ways. So abangan nyo ulit. Ay nabibili sa Samorga. I will put the link below para kung alam niyo po kung saan siya makukuha. But this one, I'm not gonna put the big chain because I think it's too much already, because this one has a, you know, has a design of red and green. So that's how you wear it guys. That's how you do it guys. I ordered some chain as well pero hindi pa dumating from Amazon.